Okay, so we just washed outside of the car, and now my microfiber cloths are getting washed in the washing machine because they're very important to me. My wife even knows that my microfiber cloths are not for anything else besides what I want them to be used for. Right. So my only carpets that are dirty are these two here, because nobody really sits in the passenger seat because my son is always in the back with his mother in the baby seat. So I'm just gonna clean up these two sides and then the rest of the car is done. So we washed the car, finally clean. The rain was screwing it up. I was supposed to start off the day sanding, but I couldn't leave the car in the state. So my car really needs a polish, to be honest. I'll be doing that in another video. As you can see, it's clean. Now we need to go to the body shop to get some what's this thing called, body filler, and then we'll be back to sanding. Okay, cool. So we're now on the way to actually buy some body filler so we can continue. Washed the car this morning. So I won't say I wasted time, but it took a bit of time. But yeah, I needed to head out anyway to fetch my sister from tuition. So I'm just gonna go get some body filler and then going to fetch her. Then we're gonna get started on the car again, sanding that shit down. And by this weekend I'm hoping to actually have sanded both the back and the front finish and basically have it ready in terms of its shape to be painted. Then yeah, that's it. Okay, cool. So we organized our body filler. Now on the way to fetch my sister. Then we're gonna go start sanding. Just wanted to let you guys know how I feel about my daily, right? So you saw me washing the E90 at the beginning of this video. That's my daily car, right? And I flippin' love this car, to be honest with you. It's so easy to drive. It's a 320 diesel, obviously, just so that I could save on fuel and, you know, get some better miles, especially at the price of fucking fuel and diesel. Although diesel is currently more expensive, but anyway. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, it's perfect to drive. It's an auto. It has sufficient power compared to my flippin' VTEC. So obviously it gives me that nice kick. It's a 2011 model. Shit. As I was saying, it's a 2011 model. So it's the facelift, I believe. It looks cool. It's standard on stock wheels and stuff. After I'm done with the Honda, I'm gonna start with this car. You know, put it on some coilies, put a nice wheel on it, and then just leave it as is. But yeah, I really love this car, you know. And the thing is, like, I know that, yeah, so as I was saying, it's like the perfect car. When you want to throw it, it throws. When you want some speed, it speeds. It's comfortable. The seat has the kidney adjustments, you know, so it gives you that snug fit. It's like the perfect car for me, in my humble opinion, obviously. Yeah, so that's basically it. I just met one of the nicest guys. He asked for money, but he's like so chill, you know, and that was the whole movement, you know what I'm saying? You gotta respect them, you know. At the end of the day, they're still people. If you can help, you help. If you can't help, it doesn't mean you should like flip them off or whatever, you know. Especially those that are kind and they just trying their best, you know what I'm saying? And unfortunately in South Africa we have this situation where the unemployment rate is so high because the government people, they just keep stealing our shit, you know what I'm saying? So these guys, like, they're either begging or they're forced to a life where they have to steal, you know. And it's like a tough situation, so you gotta help out where you can, you know. Create job opportunities, you know, create opportunity for these guys, you know. I think in South Africa we don't have enough entrepreneurs. We actually need to like advocate for more entrepreneurs in our country, in my humble opinion. You know, like young people, they don't want to start businesses, you know, and it's a big problem, you know, because how do we create new opportunities? How do we get new businesses out there with new ideas that are just like creating or like changing the game, you know, changing it completely on its head, you know. And yeah, that's like something we really need to be investing in as a country, in my humble opinion, as somebody that is not involved in politics and is just a car enthusiast as a hobby and a software engineer by day. Anyway, back to the E90, right? So every car YouTuber eventually gets into drifting, right? And therefore it is my goal to get into drifting, right? Drifting, and then all the other YouTubers, they get into boxing, right? So I've already started boxing like about 6 months ago. Obviously I don't intend to get into a ring because I'm too old for that shit, but you know, I'm there, you know. But like for now, I need to eventually get to a point where we have a shit ton of subscribers, and then we're drifting here in South Africa. You know what I'm saying? That's the goal. You know, we're going for stunt shows, we hosting our own meets, and then we're going drifting. You know what I'm saying? Like those are the things. You know, even like track days. Like I'm really interested in track days. I want to build on for track days, to be honest, just to go around the circuit and then have another car just to slide around the circuit. You know what I'm saying? So those are the goals, guys. Those are the goals. So don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you like the content, and if there's something that I'm not showing that you'd like to see, just be sure to mention it in the comments. Okay, so where are we at? Bro, this thing is looking so sick. Fuck, I didn't think it would be so cool. Shit, bro. Damn. Let's take a closer look, right? So I still need to fix up here, but as you can see, there's like that small gap there, but like flip, I can't chase perfection for the rest of my life, to be honest. The only time I think I'd get it perfectly 100% is if I did this on a 3D design, to be honest. But I mean, look at it. That is so cool. Like really cool. I spent a lot of the day sanding, as you can see, and it's mostly straight. I need to reinforce it, like here. Where's my finger? Here, cracked. So I need to reinforce that shit. But the fact that it's straight is making me quite happy. Still waiting on our perspex vents. I cracked that bottom corner, and then I lost the hole that I was mounting the shit on, so it's not aligned properly. But basically that's it. Now you can see there, that vent, when I have a tire that's actually there, is gonna look so flippin' sick. Let's be honest, right? Let's be fucking honest, right? This thing gonna be fucking sick, huh? Just admire, just admire. Look at us, that perfect circle. Oh my god, I might have an orgasm, to be honest with you. This thing is so good. Shit, even my dog likes it. Scooby, don't you like it? Huh? 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 Come on, guys. So story of the back is I'm putting filler on it. It's drying up, but I'm a bit tired today because I spent like 4 or 5 hours sanding and shit. Then tomorrow I'm gonna just finish the back one up, and I've trimmed it already. I trimmed this back piece, so it's just a matter of making it straight at this point. But damn, this thing is so cool, guys. Shit. Oh my word. This is really going to be looking awesome. If all goes well, I expect to spray this by the next weekend. So next weekend, maybe putting some spray on this thing, depending on how the week goes. But yeah, like really sick. I'm not sure, maybe there I need to even it out. But even if I don't, I mean, this is looking really good. let me know what you guys think. Obviously this will be on YouTube, it will be on TikTok first probably, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yo, what up guys? Unfortunately today was not going how we planned it. Firstly, my son got very sick, so we had to rush him to the doctor, but thankfully he's good now. And then also I was dog tired from yesterday, from him staying up a bit last night as well, so I didn't actually get a chance to go. And then at around 3 o'clock my brother got engaged, so I didn't really have time to actually do anything else. But yeah, so the plan for next week is to obviously get some shit done, make sure I can spray the things on the weekend. And it's gonna be a very busy week. On Tuesday and Thursday I'll be posting updates, and then again on Sunday as per the usual schedule for now. And then yeah, that's basically it. I am making some merch as well. It's looking pretty cool. You will probably see them in my videos. And yeah, that's basically it. I will see you all on Tuesday then. Peace out.